In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on PlayStation 5 with Google Home. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Even though you aren't able to directly connect your PlayStation 5 to Google Home, you can still do this by using a certain workaround. So it isn't going to be available on the list of standard devices. What you have to do is use a workaround primarily by using your TV. So every time that you power on your TV, it is going to automatically power on the PlayStation 5. And by connecting the TV to Google Home, essentially you will be using Google Home to power on your TV, which powers on the PlayStation 5. So first, go into your PlayStation 5's settings and access the system category. Inside of system under HDMI, you will be able to enable HDMI device link. This is what makes it so whenever you power on your TV in the specific HDMI channel that your PlayStation 5 is connected to, it will automatically power it on. So it makes the process very easy. With this done, you just have to download the Google Home application. And like I said, you have to add your TV to it. So choose the option to add a device from the home screen, and you will be able to browse through various options. Usually this will be a Chromecast or Google TV enabled option. If you don't have access to a Google TV or a Chromecast, then you will have to find another way to connect your TV. There is the option to use a remote like the Harmony remote, which has Google Home capabilities, and you can consider using this. You will be able to connect the remote, and then every time that you power on the TV, it will power up the PlayStation 5. But if you see this option here, it's more convenient. Afterwards, you just have to set a routine. So for example, every time that you say on voice or through your microphone, power on the PlayStation 5, it is going to do the action to power on the TV, which consequently enables your PlayStation 5. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on PlayStation 5 with Google Home. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.